Yeah, just trimmed these palm trees. Had to climb up on a ladder on this one. It's kind of angled out from the house quite a bit. You can see I climbed the back side of it and trim off the top because it got frostbitten this year. We got two other ones over here. Short one got the ladder up on it, as you can see. The other one we had to climb off the balcony, staying on the tree to trim it up. It's pretty ridiculous, but it's pretty cool. Palm tree trimming in Charlotte, North Carolina. Getting all the palms done around the house here. Making sure everything looks good. Getting all the palms trimmed. Get everything picked up. Over here's all the dead stuff here. Getting everything picked up and good to go.